What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, I just saw this headline on the Daily News for 23 December 2024 on a Monday today. They were saying Boyeseni Ndlozi is set to dump the EFF. The key word on this headline is the word dump. So, but the way I'm seeing it, it's actually the EFF that dumped Mboyiseni Ndlozi a long time ago, not Mboyiseni Ndlozi dumping the EFF. It's actually the other way around. It should have been the EFF dumps Mboyiseni Ndlozi, because the reason why the EFF had to do away with Mboyiseni Ndlozi is because the EFF, what it needs right now is stability and not uncertainty. With Mboyiseni Ndlozi, there was a lot of uncertainty with himself as to where exactly does he stand. That's why the EFF had to ban Mboyiseni Ndlozi from attending the NPA and to go with the leaders who were stable, who they knew exactly where they stand, instead of Mboyiseni Ndlozi. So for me, the headline, I would turn it in the other way around, because Mboyiseni Ndlozi was long set free a long time ago. He was actually set free a long time ago for him to explore other avenues, that is, maybe to join other political parties or start a career elsewhere. Mboyiseni Ndlozi has a PhD. He can go to the UK, even to the UK, and work there. Right now, the EFF has long moved on from Mboyiseni Ndlozi. They are now focusing on issues that are concerning them instead of continuously addressing the Mboyiseni Ndlozi. They've put that behind them. So it's actually the EFF that has dumped Mboyiseni Ndlozi.